Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can meet the Borious NPC and start this quest, the Fix the Glacial Regulator Quest and Fish It Roblox Elemental Island update. Okay, first, you're going to open the seal of the Elemental Island, guys. The pathways are sealed in the Elemental Island, so you need to open the seal. You need to open a seal, and if you want to unlock it, you can watch my previous video. And after you open the seal, you're going to go to this area, and then you're going to go this way to meet the Borious NPC and take the Glacial Regulator Quest. Go to this way and you'll meet an NPC. Okay, just go to this area, guys, and you'll meet this Borious NPC. Talk to him, and you need to fix the machine, the Glacial Regulator machine. Okay, you're going to repair it, but if you want to repair it, you need to catch a secret fish. Let me show you. Okay, you need to catch the storm shell brood, and you're going to use this fish to fix the Glacial Regulator. And to catch the fish, you're going to fish here, guys. Fish in this area. And wait, let me show you the index, the Elemental Island index. Okay, and this is the fish, but yeah, I still need to wait for the blizzard elemental event, and the weather will be refreshed every 2 hours. Oh, for now there is no active event, and I still need to wait for 1 hour and 33 minutes for the next active event. Remember that you can only catch the secret fish of this elemental island during the event. Okay guys, and that's how you can start the Fix the Glacial Regulator Quest in Fish It Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.